Hey guys, welcome to TutorialGuru. Today we'll be learning how to change birthday in Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to change your birthday in your Terabox account, first open up a Terabox app on your phone, and after opening a Terabox app guys, you'll land on this interface. This is the home interface of Terabox. Now in order to proceed to change your birthday from over here, at the top left corner of the screen guys, you can see the tree line icon available for us just beside the Terabox name. Tap on the tree line icon at the top left corner of the screen, and this kind of panel will appear. Now we'll be required to tap on our name at the top of this panel, just above the switch account button guys. You can see over here, tap on your name at the top of the screen, and this kind of interface will appear where you can see the birthday option is over here, which is the third one just below your nickname. Tap on the birthday over here. By doing that guys, you will be able to choose your birthday from over here. Now in order to change your birthday, simply choose your year which you want to choose it to, and after that choose your month, and after that choose your day. And doing that guys, tap on the already over 18 years old, entering as an adult at the bottom of the screen. By doing that guys, your birthday on your Terabox app will be changed, or the Terabox account will be changed. You can see guys, it has been changed over here. And with that being said guys, this is how to change birthday in Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.